I've asked you to hand in your assignments as zip files because that's just a nice handy way to do it. If you don't already have a file compression program, one good choice is 7-zip, which works well for me and it's free. Just search for 7-zip and it turns up straight away if you do a search for it. Just go to the 7zip.org site and you can download it for, I don't know if they have a Mac version, but definitely for Windows. So just download it. If you click on the link, you'll be taken to another download site. Eventually the download dialog should pop up and you can just save it and then run that file to install it. I've already done that, so I'm not going to go through it here. Once you've installed it, anything you want to compress, you should be able to do it by the right-click context menu. So if I wanted to compress this folder, I'd right-click, here's the 7-zip menu, and just add it to a zip file and you're ready to go. So I'm going to bring up BlueJ here and do a simple project to show you how this works. Now first we'll set up a new project. We have to save it. I'll save it to the desktop. These are all folders. However, any folder that has a BlueJ project inside it will show up with this distinct icon in the dialog here. So I'm going to create a project called Zip It. Let's call it Zip Hello. Create. The project is created. And my window went off to the side for some reason, but this is the BlueJ project folder. So let me bring this back into view and let's just create a simple class. We'll call it Hello. And I'm going to just blow away all the default stuff here and create a simple main class. Public static void main. Now for those of you who are new, you don't really have to understand why this works, just that it works. So the main method takes an array of strings as arguments, but you don't have to use them. So anytime you want to put together something that will run when you call the class, you just use this precise method definition, and then anything in here will run when the class is called. Now all we want to do is print something. Just want to print hello. Compiles OK. Now we can run it. And it does what we want. At this point we'll now close the project. And we're done with BlueJ. Here's the project. If we double click this, we can see that our class definitions and the project file are in here, and what we want to do is compress this folder. So all we have to do is mouse over it, right click, choose the 7-zip program, say add to hello.zip, and the folder is compressed into the zip file, and that's what I want you to send me, and that's all there is to it.